In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Genspark presentation to PowerPoint, PPT. By the end, you'll have a clean PowerPoint file saved to your device and ready to open in Microsoft PowerPoint with all your slides intact. First, open your presentation in Genspark. Head to your projects or recent files and select the presentation you want to export. Give it a moment to load fully so all images, charts, and slides render correctly before you move on. Next, review the slides and make any final edits. This is the perfect time to fix typos, tighten up slide titles, and confirm your layout looks polished. Check that images aren't cropped awkwardly, that animations or transitions behave the way you expect, and that speaker notes, if you use them, are complete and clear. It's much easier to correct these details in Genspark before exporting. Now find the export or download option. In many interfaces, this appears in the top right area or under a file menu. It might be labeled export, download, or even save as. If there's a download icon, that's usually the one you want. Click it to open the export choices. When the export panel opens, choose PowerPoint or PPT as the export format. You may see PPT or PPTX as options. Either will open in Microsoft PowerPoint, but PPTX is the modern default. Select the one that best fits your needs. This format preserves slide order, text, and most media so you can present or share your deck offline. Start the export process. Click the button to begin and let Genspark compile your presentation into a PowerPoint file. The time it takes can vary depending on the number of slides and any high-resolution images or embedded content. Avoid navigating away from the page until you see that the export has completed. Once it's ready, download the file to your device. Choose a familiar folder so you can find it quickly later. If your browser asks for permission or a location, confirm the download and wait for it to finish completely before opening. Finally, open it in PowerPoint and check the slides. Launch Microsoft PowerPoint, open your downloaded file, and go through each slide. Confirm that fonts look correct, images are sharp, charts are readable, and any transitions or animations behave as expected. Compare a few key slides with how they appeared in Genspark to ensure everything matches. If you notice small formatting differences, make a note of them so you can adjust in Genspark and export again for a perfect result. And that's it. Your Genspark presentation is now successfully exported to PowerPoint and ready to use.